In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Paytm account on Android. Start by locating the Paytm app on your Android device and open it. Tap the menu icon located in the top left corner. Scroll down the menu and select Help and Support. Then choose Profile Settings. In the Profile Settings, tap on Chat with Us, and you will be redirected to an automated chat assistant. From the options presented, select I want to close, delete my account. The assistant will ask you to review important government guidelines. To proceed, simply tap Yes. You may also be asked to upload documents such as a picture of a cancelled check. After submitting your request, your account closure application will be processed. Within a couple of days, your Paytm account will be fully deleted. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.